We are the NSL Group, a diversified group that's transforming lives, primarily focusing on the agri sector. We are working towards a better future for India, with an ambitious growth plan for 2015, with focus on the key areas of food, clothing, housing, and much more. We're moving ahead with speed in a variety of fields: seeds, cotton, textiles, garments, retail, sugar, infrastructure, and power.
The group started life in the green revolution of the 1970s, one of the pioneers of India's seed industry. Today, we are India's #1 seed company, in competition with the world's giants. Thanks to the high-quality seeds we've developed, with our world-class R&D capabilities and our agri-biotech strengths. Propelling the NSL success story forward, Blackstone, the world's largest equity player, has invested $50 million in Nuziviru seeds. Our quality assurance is of world-class standards with ISTA accreditation. We are market leaders in cotton seeds, accounting for nearly 35% of top-quality cotton produced in India. And we are now taking rapid steps towards becoming the leader in rice and maize seeds, India's two biggest crop categories. We also produce a wide range of other crop seeds. We have a nationwide marketing network and a powerful brand equity. Nuziviru Seeds now has a turnover of over rupees 10 billion. Making it India's #1 seeds company, listed as one of India's 25 Gen Next hidden leaders by Business Today magazine, thanks to our research investments in biotech traits and molecular breeding. From seeds, we've diversified into various fields based on our unique strengths. With our dominant position in cotton seeds, it was logical for us to move into cotton production itself. Our goal to become one of the world's leading suppliers of top quality cotton and, in the process, help make India a major global source of top quality cotton. We will focus on certain key fundamentals such as organic cotton, contamination controlled cotton, traceability of produce, fair trade practices, and adherences to the principles of the Global Better Cotton Initiative. We are pioneering a change in the Indian cotton industry. We've introduced the concept of branded cotton for the first time in India. We've entered into integrated cotton farming with the Indian farmer. We've set up 150 farmers' service centers across India's cotton heartland, providing the farmer with a one-stop source of everything he needs. By 2015, we intend to be a 15 billion rupees business. From cotton, we've moved up the value chain to textiles, leveraging our strengths and backing them with investments that will total over rupees 11 billion up to 2010. We are one of those rare players who've entered the business with a fully integrated story, from cotton to clothing. Our goal is to be positioned as the world's most integrated fashion player, spanning every stage from seeds and seed cotton, all the way to our own retail marketing chain. By 2013, we will be one of Asia's leading natural fiber players, one of India's leading cotton, fabric, and garment suppliers, supplying to the top 20 US and EU brands and the top 20 Indian garment export players. Given our background in the agri sector, it was only natural that we looked seriously at opportunities in the sugar industry. In 2004, we set up our first sugar plant in Kopa, Karnataka. But our ambitions, typically, are big. To be one of India's top 5 sugar players and to be a global player. We are setting up sugar plants in Africa, as part of our global initiative. We believe India's agri sector offers us a great opportunity because that is where we can impact the large number of lives. The NSL Group is evolving continuously to meet India's needs, and we are putting our entrepreneurial strengths to work in infrastructure and power. The country's infrastructure needs dictate that this sector will account for 11% of the country's GDP by 2015. We entered the infrastructure space through joint ventures with leading players in the field and subsequently developed IT and other infrastructure independently. Today, we are operating 3 million square feet of office space. We are now in the process of setting up 3 major SEZs and commercial, residential, retail properties across India, in Hyderabad, in Chennai and the National Capital Region. But our biggest future business will be in the power sector, addressing one of India's biggest future needs, which is where we are investing 100 billion rupees. We are deeply concerned about the future of our planet. So our focus is sustainable development and renewable energy. And we intend to be one of India's top 3 renewable energy players by 2015. Already, we are one of the leading wind energy players. From the start, we've worked to optimize our capacities, plant load factors, and pioneer the latest technologies. In addition, we have set up 20 megawatt solar power project in the Kutch district of Gujarat. IFC, which is based in Washington, and FE Clean Energy, the 2 major private equity players, have invested with us. NSL has acquired the rights to develop 460 megawatt wind farms in Chile, Latin America. Our Chile project is the first overseas venture of our group and is also considered as one of the largest wind power projects in Latin America. Also, we've set up a biomass project, and we are working on setting up 4 hydroelectricity projects as well. NSL's wind power project, located in Jagalur, Karnataka, has won Best Performance Award in 2006, 2010 and 2011. We are also exploring opportunities in thermal energy using supercritical technology to maximize its environment friendliness. We are setting up 2 thermal plants in Orissa, which are expected to be commissioned by 2015. We take pride in the fact that our achievements have been recognized and we've been honored with various major awards. NSL takes privilege in sponsoring the prestigious M.S. Swaminathan Award in recognition of outstanding contribution in the field of agriculture. We also take pride in the role we've played to help transform the society we live in through our Mandava Foundation. Its mission to create a platform for sustainable rural development, especially in the key areas of education, healthcare, employment, and the transfer of knowledge to the Indian farmer. So, what is it that makes the NSL Group stand apart?
Firstly, the proven entrepreneurial strengths of the group. In addition to this, the robust business models, the investments on technology and human resource, the proven track record of delivering whatever has been planned and promised, and the honesty in dealing with the stakeholders.
We are driven by a powerful vision to be one of India's leading business groups and to be a leader in every field that we operate in. We are moving with speed to make that vision a reality. The NSL Group, transforming lives.